What up YouTube? I'm bringing you back another video on the WRX, the VB. So today we are going to install the exhaust. So right now we have the stock WRX VB exhaust. It's quiet, it does its job, but we want more loud. We want something more poppy, we want something fun. So if you guys haven't heard of Aeroflow Dynamics, they make some great aero parts for the VB and many other different cars. But today we're just talking about the VB and the WRX. And recently they've been pushing out a lot of aftermarket parts for the VB. So why not try them out? And I'm looking at their products, and it's looking like it's great products. I highly recommend this company. So today we got their new titanium exhaust. So I went with the blue one. I did not want to spend the extra money for the limited gold edition. I should have done the gold edition, but I'll stick with the blue one and see how it goes, how it sounds, how it performs, and I'll let you guys know about that. But we're going to go underneath the car, we're going to take off the exhaust, and then we're going to try to, well, we're not going to try, we're going to install the new AFD titanium F1 exhaust. Let me get underneath and take this off, and then we'll put this together, this F1 exhaust together, and then we'll put it underneath, and we'll give you a cold startup of what this sounds like. So before we hear the clip of the F1 exhaust, here is an exhaust clip of the stock VB. Alright, what up YouTube? So I finally took off the old stock muffler, and I replaced it with the Aeroflow Dynamics titanium F1 exhaust. Alright, so just some key points. You can use the stock gasket. So this is the Aeroflow gasket that they provide. You can use the stock gasket that comes with the WRX and the bolts. I highly recommend you to do that. Make sure to I don't know if you can see. There you go. I don't know if you can see, but put the front part in first, then the midsection. Make sure you don't do any of the clamps. When you do get down to the muffler section, loosen up the clamp for the muffler. Loosen it up so you can slide the muffler in, and then once you get it all situated with the clamp for the last part, then screw that down to where you want the muffler to be, and then you can screw down the clamp. After that, you should be all good to go. And then let's start her up and see how the muffler sounds. Cold start. So if you guys do want a titanium exhaust or something loud, I highly suggest or recommend the Aeroflow. If you cannot get the Aeroflow, if it's sold out or anything like that, try the ETS titanium. I've only seen one other person with the titanium exhaust. Sounds almost identical, or at least as good as the AFD titanium F1 exhaust. So if you guys do want to cop this, I'll link a URL for the AFD titanium F1 exhaust. As always, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next mod.